Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we're doing something different. We are testing a filling machine, and I just took this one on because it sounded fun. So here we have the pressure is at 60 psi. My air compressor is at 90, so it looks like that's as high as the machine will go, and that's within the specs of the manual. And so so what you have to do is you have to plug it in, obviously, and you have to hook up the air line, and then you turn on the power switch here, and they tell you to start out in manual mode. And then I had to put a little gasket that came with the machine underneath the hopper here, and I filled the hopper with water. And in order for the machine to work, you have to slide this. So it's on right now. That turns the air off. So the machine won't work if it's slid to the back. So in order to engage it, you need to slide it forward, just like that. And there's my air compressor filling. So I'll let the air compressor fill. And so this front one, so there's two adjustments. This front one controls how fast the piston pushes in. So how fast it goes this way. And the more I open it up, the more I turn counterclockwise, the faster it'll move. And then this one controls how fast the piston pulls back out or goes. This one controls how fast the piston moves back out or this way. And then this one, this dial here controls how much liquid you put in how much volume of liquid you want to put in. So the further forward you put it, the more liquid goes in. The further back you put it, the less liquid goes in. And I think that's about it. There's not really much else. Oh, well, I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm going to do one cycle. So I'll push the pedal. And you can see that's one cycle. And I'll do one more. Second cycle. So thank you for watching my Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.